Today we were going to be using a switch inside of a loop. You can use this with different sensors. Today we are going to do it with the ultrasonic sensor, but you can do it with the light sensor, the touch sensor, etc. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in our loop. After we place that, we have to decide how we want to get out of our loop. Right now, if we wanted to put it time, if we want to use a sensor, for today we'll just say we're going to do it not time, we'll do it count. We'll do it maybe 4 times. Okay, then what we're going to do is the robot is going to decide inside this loop, it's going to think over and over again the conditions that are met. We're going to be adding a switch so it has 2 decisions. So above the orange line, right now it's set for a touch sensor, but we'll come down here and we're just going to change it to the ultrasonic sensor, which is right here. So this is showing when things are near, this is showing when things are far away. So we have to decide where our port, which one it's attached to. Right now we're just going to say it's on port 4. If it's not, either change your wire or change the port number to reflect the same thing so it is used. And here, same thing as a light sensor that we've used. It's using distances. This one is less than 50. We can change it from inches to centimeters. So need to get a ruler, see how far you want the distance to be as your threshold, as either higher or lower than this number. You can change it by here, the numbers with the slider, or you could type in the numbers. So we could say that if it's near something, if it's less than 43 inches, maybe let's make this 12 inches. So if something is less than 12 inches, what do we want to happen? So the flower symbolizes near, the mountains symbolizes far. So what do we want to happen when it's near it? Do we want it to stop? That's a possibility. So we'll tell it right now that we want the motor to stop if it's less than 12 inches from an obstacle. If we want it to keep going, again, we're using sensors. We want to make sure that we're not using our rotations or degrees. We want to keep this set for unlimited. Otherwise, it'll be very choppy. It'll go to rotations. It will loop and do that again. So it would be very choppy if you decided to use the other choices. And maybe that would be something that you would want to use.